Hi there guys, today we're unboxing the Zunelotoo Crotalus multi-utility shovel. We've used a double lock design to ensure your product gets to you safe and sound. Let's have a look what's inside. Here is your shovel head. It comes with a stone wash finish and goes through a 50 process antioxidant where other shovels only go through 20. It is 10mm thickness over here to ensure that the shovel never breaks, and as you can see, the shovel face has no soldering and no screws, so you can be sure that the shovel won't break. It also has the axe blade on the right, along with 4 nut and bolt sizes of your most convenient size for everyday use. Also comes equipped with the hammer and the Crotalus logo at the back, as well as wire cutter over here, and has a 6-angle multi-use for your most convenient. Ready guys? Let's assemble our shovel. Let's have a look at the Crotalus multi-face. It comes with 6 different angles for your multi-purpose use, and it is 10mm thick, so you can be sure that your shovel face will not break. You can also see the shovel face has no bolts, no nuts, and no soldering to ensure maximum strength when you're out in the wild. Let's have a look at chamber number 1. Over here we have blade, saw, as well as bottle opening here. So we cater to every convenience while you're out in the wild. Chamber number 2, we have the survival whistle. You can use this for distress calls or scaring away large animals. The Crotalus multi-tool shovel can also be used with its extensions as a very effective self-defense weapon, as well as a multi-purpose flashlight for your own convenience. Also throwing in utility cord, saw chain, as well as a first aid kit. When fully extended, the Crotalus multi-tool shovel can also be used as a self-defense weapon. It is very effective. The Crotalus tool in this shape is also a very effective short shovel. If you want to view the production process of the Crotalus tool, click in the short description and link in our bio. For any other questions, leave a comment and subscribe, and visit our website at www.zunelotoo.com. Thank you very much for your time.